Hey guys, Tony here. How's everybody doing? It does look like Bitcoin and Ethereum are looking to have another leg up. We actually did just break the 51K mark. I do think, if you're a part of my Patreon, I already told you guys like a while ago that I do think that Bitcoin is headed to 52K. It is gonna cross. It is gonna more than likely close this week bullish, and I think we are gonna be headed more to the north side. It seems like 64K might be, I don't want to say an easy pass, but I think we might be actually headed there. But I think 52K, Bitcoin is going to hit that amount pretty easily. Shiba right now is actually doing pretty well, still up at 18. Doggy is now at 26, and Ethereum right now is at 34.74. So overall, I do think we're going to see another leg up. I think that Ethereum is going to hit that 35, like high 35s, so 35 like 7, 8, 9 something. And then also I still think Bitcoin is, see, there you go, Bitcoin 51K. I do think Bitcoin is going to hit 52K. Doggy is more than likely headed to 27, 28 cents, and Shiba Inu more than likely is going to bounce from here and probably go back up to around the 20 mark. So we'll see what happens. Currently right now holding 221 million Shiba Inu on my Coinbase, and then another 269 million on my Coinbase Pro. So we'll see what happens. A lot of things really moving right now. Definitely still looking at Cardano and one of my bigger positions. So Cardano, it's about 11K. Polygon, the same thing. Polygon is around 8.2, and then Anchor is actually one of my bigger positions, just because I do think that Web3 is going to be a huge big piece of development pretty soon. Cosmos is also insanely good. I do like Cosmos 100%. Stellar Lumens to replace XRP, or at least if there is some news on XRP, I do think that Stellar Lumens is like a sister crypto to XRP, so I do think it'll run. But apart from that, Polkadot is fantastic. But apart from that, my biggest holdings are going to be the major three. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA. And then my more of my let's see what happens are more of like Shiba or Anchor or the Graph or smaller crypto like that. So we'll see what happens. Have a great day. It seems like like I said, it does look like crypto overall is going to have another leg up. I can see Ethereum hitting 35, like the high 35s pretty soon. I can see Bitcoin hitting 52K sometime today or tomorrow. And then Doggy probably still under 30 cents. Shiba back to like 20. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.